Hello friends, I Anjali welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in last video we have seen what is participating plans and non-participating plans. Here we will go into detail. See, a participating policy or par policy offers the customer an element of guarantee, usually the maturity sum assured plus bonuses. The bonuses that gets declared is based on the profit generated by the company from its investment. In layman language, you will take participating plans or participating products. You will pay premium. You will take prepaying term. You will choose prepaying term. You will choose your policy year. So maturity assured, sum assured you will get plus bonuses. How bonuses will come? So company will invest in equity or in other things. So here when company will get a bonus, you will get bonus also. So see, they have given the architecture, the journey of bonus declaration. All participating plan premiums are invested in pooled fund. Pooled fund means, mutual fund, right? In mutual fund, all kind of products like equity, debt, hybrid fund, growth fund. We will see in the mutual fund classes. So see, from the fund, expenses are deducted, claims paid. Then from surplus, 90% paid as bonus, 10% to shareholders. So see, you all know about mutual funds, and if you don't know, we will study in the mutual fund. So in mutual fund, there are various types of, you can do SIP also, you can invest in as growth income also, and you can invest in equity also, you can invest in debt also, you can take hybrid also, hybrid product also. So here what they have given, so what they are telling that from the fund expenses are deducted and claims paid. So what would be the expenses? They will deduct that, and claims they will pay. And from surplus, 90% paid as bonus, and from profit they will give you 90% as bonus and 10% to shareholders. So see, new business, premium renewal, premium received by Balik. Balik invested the pool fund and earn investment returns. Surplus left post all payouts. Right? The fund where the pooled premiums are invested is called par fund. So here they have written the fund where the pooled premiums are invested is called par fund. So see, now I am just giving the architecture of this, and if you have any doubt, please ask me. I am just telling you in the layman language only. I have told you what is par fund, what is non-par fund. It is very simple. Par fund, you will get maturity sum plus bonus. You just have to remember this only. I'm just giving you, I'm just sharing this because just for your knowledge. So Balik par fund returns 2008 to 22. Simple average investment yield of Balik par fund for past 15 years is 9.11%. Realized investment yield of par fund. Financial year 22, 7.55%, 21, 11.10%, 20, 7.71%, 19, 8.62%, 18, 8.55%, 17, 8.90%, 16, 8.50%, 15, 10.60%, and 15 is 10.60%, 14 is 9.58%, 13 is 9.32%, 12 is 9.09%, 11 is 8.82%, 10 is 8.85%, 9 is 9.50%, and 8 is 10%. See, past performance is not indicative of future performance. Bonus rates declared by the company are different from the invested yield shown above. So you have to remember this only. Par fund means if I will invest in par fund, I will give maturity sum assured plus bonus. Bonus, what kind of bonus? That declares is based on the profit generated by the company. So company earn bonus, so they will give 90% bonus. And what was the example? Flexi goal income, right? Thank you so much.